going on? I'm too crusty.
Hey.
Just patch hasty. Fridge. Cost a lot. Hey.
What up, everybody? It is your boy Public Meta Butter, and welcome to another video, guys. Yeah, guys. Do not become adults, please.
What this? 700. This is big. Fuck.
Yeah, speaker. Strong fridge. Yeah, they can see. Look at the amount of the fridge, guys.
Oh, the speaker is 400. Yeah, 500 extra. Let's go to Truett.
Now
Okay.
we have to do this smart.
It's too much.
Do smart because you want to have nice things in life.
Nice things in life are not nice.
Nice things in life are not nice. They're never nice.
Truett. Sifikile sezindlulini size Nkosi ngoba nathi size Nkosi. Avashoni, fucking Avashoni. Yeah, it's loud. No, it's very near cars. Good day.
You are brand these, bro. Guys, I advise you. Ingabi badala, guys. Sanoba badala. Do not. Sanu wireless. Good background. Sanu wireless. Background. Do not become an adult. Please. Word of the day.
Anya, guys.
46 rand.
Just expensive, unnecessary and shit. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yeah, 46. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, ne. So jongile ezibalekileyo ngoku. Akumnandanga. Yapretend. Yapretend nje. Asas.
Okay.
Hayi, this part, le party.
10%, save 10%.
This part, guys. Sektima. We're gonna see you. That's
not
a part.
for the
This part.
under the age of 18.
Part, yeah. See you guys. That's a part and stuff. See. Time. Go now.
Cedric on the
Whoa. Adult life. Kiss scam. Guys, Joang. We had to pay 1.1 kala. The 500 on top of that. Plus 21 rand. Ambora my boss. Guys, my boys. Oh, welcome. I didn't see you there. Welcome. Guys, we've been welcoming to this vlog quite.
Fuck that welcome!
Puzuch.
I'll switch.
Puzuch.
Hey, for the hammer lamp, babe. For the pose lamp, babe. For the tata lamp, babe. I'm beside the lamp, babe. For the Mali lamp, babe. For the pure aim, babe.
Why are you mad?
Why am I mad?
Right
Because
here.
he's cheating. We games. He's cheating. Wena. Look here. The swaka. He's cheating. People don't even know the game he's
Are you
playing.
cheating?
Crazy 8, nigga.
Right, cheater.
Crazy 8, nigga.
Why would I?
Yeah, why are you looking at my cars, bro? Who? You gonna take 2, bro? Nigga, you look at my car. You showing the chat, nigga. You showing the chat, nigga. This nigga, you showing the chat, nigga. Yeah, you should be laying like that, bro. You showing the chat, nigga. Get out of him now.
Guys, maswaka bethu just said akomntu ufuna uvumba uswaka.
Phumile ke wena.
No, I'm not out. I'm just taking a break. I'm just I'm just taking a break from finals. I've been through finals.
You ran through, bro.
You ran through, bro.
Lies.
Guys, I've been to finals and finals and finals. So now I'm just taking a break. A king has to take a break.
Don't call yourself. Need a play.
5 minutes later.
What are you wearing? What are you wearing?
I mean, 1.5.
1.5, see? You say, what are you wearing with 1.5? Nigga, we chasing, nigga. What's happening? What's crack-a-lacking? What's crack-a-lacking YouTube?
Oh my god.
Why are you running away from the camera, bro? Why are you running away from the camera?
Hey, what you mean I'm running away?
Why are you running away from the camera?
Hey, bro, it's just that I showed it
To you. Why are you fundani kule nayithethayo nyava ubuhle bona Unokazani yakaphela ukuthi.
Kaloku ngithi umuntu ngithanda ukuboleka ngithanda ukuba ngithanda. Andibani andizange kutheni bakho.
Okay.
Andizange aphindwa nayo.
Into etshoyo umuntu uthanda ngesizathu. Kodwa ekugqibeleni
Khona into afuna uyibenefit ekugqibeleni.
Oba la benefit yaphela wenza njani?
Impela uyamthanda futhi umuntu. Umthanda ngokungenayo into. Umthanda noba akanayo. Umthanda noba unayo noba akanayo yabo. But at the end of the day, I think uba uthando alina meaning. Because ngizothi uba mna ngithanda kuba bese unemali unemoto nento yonke yabo. Yithi kumba mna ngithanda kuba unemali kanti ngithanda kuba okanye manje kuba unhle yabo. Then kuba ngithanda uzophela ukuthi nje thina. Uzophela uthando mos.
Awugqibile. Ishwangathele yona.
Uthando.
Awugqibile.
Isenze ethandweni guys asimakhilana.
Ayini.
Ayani.
W passa!
Baba,
Home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is.
Hey, why are you lying to the people? Why are you lying to the people?
Still I'm off of price. It's 4 o'clock.
Why are you lying to the people?
Fucking 4 o'clock.
Why are you lying?
Half 4 more.
What's that for?
There's a joint here.
Yeah. Andifuna uvideo yaza nje. Nilinda ama content creator. Okay, we're just eating a scopanyana.
Sayivula zombini ke ngoku. Hey, nomnyama.
An open one. Just watching Premier League. Yeah. Just nje nyana. Yeah. Guys, I will end your content creation sometimes. Yeah, because leqa manqa. For that. Leqa manqa. But before say them, mas ciao. That's the secret about the last year. Up so born. Understand? And the most who know me is at Tinabani, one children. We at the Black Label does not sponsor this, guys. Black Label does not sponsor this. But What you wearing? Rap, shorts, here. What is it? What are those? What of the day, boys? What of the day for Mkulua? Never trust women. That's why we open this shit. That's why we open the Secret Recipe podcast to talk about this shit. Never trust women. And what is this? Enjoy life. And VAR. What up? It's raining, guys. It's raining. But we're here. We're here. We're here. We're here. Hey, what up, everybody? It is your boy Pablo Metapata. This vlog is all over the place. This vlog is all over the place, but Please just be patient and watch. If you're a loyal fan, you will watch. But it's raining, and understandably, we cannot take any more content after that. But you know what? We love you guys. All the 321 subscribers, we love you. And we're gonna do a lot of things. We're gonna do a lot of things this year. We're gonna do a lot of things. And
this is a Vale vlog.
but this year we're gonna do a lot of things. Upon the web vlogs, we're gonna do a lot of things. Expect more content in the following weeks. You understand?
Hey, David. Hey.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh,
We love you guys, the 321 subscribers.
Asaji male cross, sithi male umkhero manje.
Yeah.
Maye, awusidli imali lunch. Kamnandi imali lunch. See you on the next one.
We'll see you on the next one.